So don't mind not having makeup or anything. I am actually just getting up. But something came in the mail that I could not ignore because I'm super excited. I got 2 versions. I believe there is only 2 versions of The Second Step Chapter 1 by Treasure. So I am excited for this. Let's start with this, the poster, because it's out of, oh, hang on, nope. There was photo cards in there. Let's start with this. I'm already so excited. Oh no. Oh no. Why would you do this to me? It's double-sided, guys. There's this side, and then there's this side. This is so mean. Honestly, I kind of like this side more, so this side's probably the side I'm going to hang it up on. I'm not sure if I'm hanging this one up in my bedroom or in here, honestly. This is where I'm going to be filming from now on. It's just our spare bedroom that used to be used for storage. It was actually originally my room, but I'm turning it into like a filming area / where I do all my art. So that was that. Let's check out the photo cards that came with the posters. So number 1, oh, it's a group. That's cute. That's cute. I like the pastel. Number 2, oh, it's another photo. Group photo. Oh, I like that too. And that one, I can't see anything, I'm sorry. I should have my glasses on. And this one's another group. I actually can't see. Hang on. It's super cute. I'm not really going to talk about members this time, just because I do spend a lot of time talking about the members. The first one I'm going to open is the greenish, tealish, aquaish one. Oh, I really like that though. It's so cool. I will say this much. I haven't fully determined who my bias is, but I'm leaning towards Yoshi. I've always really liked Yoshi. Then again, I just like the J line. I like the J line in general though. Okay, starting with this, I'm just gonna remove photo cards and things like that right quick. Oh, why would you stick? I didn't see it. I swear to you, I did not see it. They stuck it in the slip for the CD. which kind of angers me because I don't like anything near my CDs. I don't play the CDs, nothing. Let's take a look at the photo book. So, he looks good blonde. Not even gonna lie, he looks really good blonde. Okay. Speak of the devil and he shall come. Yoshi! He's so cute. So little. He's not that much younger than me, but still. Look at his eyes. Guys, his eyes. Oh. Oof. Oof. I just have a thing for Japanese guys at this point, apparently. Oh, I like that picture. Mashio. He's super cute there. Shh. Sorry, my friend's bugging me. Leon. He's cute too. Oh, look at that picture. Hold on. That is gorgeous. Don't mind me. Jihun. Oh. Oh. Wowza. Wowza, wowza. Oh. What's it? Junkyo. Junkyo. Bro, that is gorgeous. These guys are so photogenic. I swear. This cute little guy. So cute. Oh, I like that one. You dumb. Ooh, I really like this one. Boy, sorry, my dog. Jihyuk. Ooh, I like both of these actually. I really like that one. I have a thing for close-ups apparently. Ooh. This one here. They have to have so many members. Oh my god. I love them because they have so many members, but I also hate it. Haruto. He's like my second candidate for bias, honestly. Don't. Shh. I like that one. I'm trying not to show you every photo in the book. Jonghyun is attractive. Oh my god. They all are. It's a curse. I swear. Oh, I like that one. Again, close-ups. I can't resist the close-ups. What's this? There's something. Oh, it's just track lists. Honestly, we all know why I bought this. There's 2 songs as to why I bought this. Okay, look how cute that is. Basically, it's just more photos, different outfits. So I'm just... Ooh. Oh, I like this one too. I'm just gonna stop at my favorites and show you them. Oh. You wanna work with me here? And that's it. CD for this one. It's just this nice teal color. Now onto the pulls from this one. Okay, look, I got 2 y'all. That is super cute. Okay, anyway. Then we have a sticker. Haruto. That makes me happy. That makes me extremely happy. Can you ever lay still? Oh my gosh. This one. Hyunsuk and Yedam. And apparently Jungkook. Oh my god, so cute. Okay. Oh, any poster time. This apparently isn't for sale. And that is just a mini version of the one in the big one that I really liked. So put my sticker. I don't use stickers, so but I'm keeping my photo cards out because my photo card album is right there. So now for this one. That's strange. On this one they have it written as Jikjin. On this one they have it written as straight. Scary. Jikjin that are the reasons for me buying this. So put those. I just accidentally saw. Sorry. I didn't see all of them. Another sticker. This is the disc here. Just blue. It's pretty. Alright. Let us begin. Okay, come on. Oh, I can't even. This is cruelty. Excuse me. They're so precious. Okay, come on, guys. This is cruel. This is cruel and unusual punishment to look that good. That face. I like this one too. I'm just trying to get through the book as quickly as possible. So I'm not really talking about it. Oh my god. There are a bunch of babies. How is this allowed? Okay, well, they're not babies. A lot of them are actually closer to my age, but... Oh. I'm sensing a bit of cute aggression on my part, and I apologize. I'm gonna drop this at some point. Oh, I like both of these. I really like that one. They're all so gorgeous. I kind of hate them. I kind of hate them for it, honestly. They look like this and I'm sitting here looking like a toad. And not the kind that turn into a princess or prince. And that's it. So, okay. Shut him up for a minute. Sticker. Cute. Thought it shut him out for a minute. So he's cute there. Bouillon again. I really like that though. Hashi and Harato. Oh, cute. I can't even. Okay. Let's see who I got here. Oh, Mashiro. He's so cute. I can't even. And this strip. This one again. It's okay. It's cute. And that is it, guys. That is all. It's been a long process apparently today. I didn't pull Yoshi. I'm a little upset. But wait, did I pull Yoshi? I can't remember. I don't think I pulled Yoshi. But it's okay. It's fine. I'll live. I'm a big girl. I will see you guys in the next one. Whenever that may be. I'll see you guys.